How to set up a free VPN on iPhone without an app. Here's how to add a VPN configuration manually. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. Next, tap on VPN and select Add VPN Configuration. Choose the VPN type provided by your VPN service, such as IKv2, IPsec, or L2TP. Enter the required information, including the server address, remote ID, username, and password provided by your VPN provider. When you've entered everything correctly, tap Done. Important: iPhone does not provide a free VPN server by itself. A manual VPN configuration still requires a VPN server and valid credentials from a provider. Avoid random free VPN configurations found online because they may be unreliable or unsafe. And that's it. You've manually configured a VPN on your iPhone without installing a VPN app. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.